Great day, great now. Great day, great life, great now. Beautiful, beloved, vibrant inner soul family. Am I live? Okay, looks like I am. Great day, great life, great now. Beautiful, vibrant inner soul family. In just a few more minutes, we're going to be starting our 7 minutes within now for Freedom Within Fridays. And let me just say, it's such an honor, such a blessing, such a privilege, such a humbling gift to be able to wake up more free each and every day and remind more souls on how free we truly are. I truly love living my greatest version of my life that I never thought possible, and I love being of service to each and every single one of you. I receive so much waking up with all of you, remembering together, loving together, living together, especially in these times when so much love is needed, so much, not needed, but so much love is just waiting to blossom and burst and unfold and mature within all of us. And I'm so grateful, so honored, so blessed to be of service, to be served by all of you beautiful mirrors. So within a couple minutes, we're going to be starting our Freedom Within Fridays. So we'll see you. And remember, every Monday through Saturday, 5:30 Pacific, 6:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time in English, 5:50 Pacific, 6:50 a.m. Mountain Standard Time in Spanish, we get to wake up within ourselves together and bring this reawakening consciousness within the world. And remembering that the revolution within consciousness is not being televised, is not being publicized, it is being live streamed, it is being received, it is being sensed, it is being felt within each and every single one of our hearts. So thank you so much, everyone. Share this message, share the 7 minutes within now, revolution of consciousness, and let's wake up now. Let's remember how awake we are now. Let's remember how alive we are now. Let's remember how free we are now. Let's remember how in love we are now. And let's vote for humanity. Let's vote for divinity. Let's vote for nowness, of isness, of I amness. We'll see you soon.